Happy Halloween, you guys! Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V, aka Veronica. This video is going to be an unboxing of winnings, and you guys, I won Craft Purges giveaway. I could not believe it, you guys. When I entered her giveaway, I had no idea that I was gonna win. And you know, you just enter a giveaway, you just want to support, and wow. And then I was like, you know what? There was some stuff in her giveaway that I was like, you know what? I need that, man. I wish I could have that in my town, you know, or I could find it somewhere. And yeah, I was thinking that while I was entering her giveaway posting, and OMG, you guys, I won and I got the stuff that was in here. Thank you, God. You know, I put it out there and I got it. So yeah, I wasn't thinking about winning, but I was definitely thinking, hey, I need some of that. And so this is it, you guys. It smells so good. I don't know what she did, but it smells really good. It smells like very fresh, springy. I don't know if she used perfume or some room spray or what, but it smells really springy and like fresh out of the shower. So cute. So she did send me a little note right here, and I love this. This is so neat. I love that. I did see her gift that to other people, and so I'm glad I got one as well. But look at this, you guys. Okay, so it is an embellishment box. And let me remove all that stuff, and I have all this crinkle to use. So, oh, and this box too. I love this box because I'm definitely going to reuse this for swapping or sending some mail. Okay, so here it is, you guys, up close right here. Let me get up. There is her little broom and a little pumpkin. She has this zipper thing that Adriana Alvarez does. I love that. I have to try it still. And she has the everything stitched. I love what she's done here. And then she has some danglies right here. So much work went into this, and I love the orange and the pink together. I love the bats. I love the stripe. So let's get into it. She did put some glitter right here. It looks like maybe Mod Podge and glitter, but I love that idea. So let's get into it. And you guys, up close and personal, it is very different from pictures. So different. So let's go into what I was thinking I needed. So this, I know it's so simple, but my Hobby Lobby doesn't carry black eyelash trim. Last I checked, they didn't. So I haven't checked again, and I haven't bought any online. So I did have some from a swap last year that I've been using, and I lost it. You know how you misplace things? Oh, I misplaced, and I was like, I wish I had some of this whenever I seen this. And I love how she wrapped it in this little wood piece. I love this so much. So she sent me black, pink, white. Ooh, white for Christmas. Definitely using that. And then she sent me some orange and then crinkle inside. I love how she did that. So that's what I was needing, was the black. Thank you so much. And then next, you guys, I was like, when I saw her resin pieces, I was like, man, I need to get into resin, you know, but I have kids. She has kids too, and I just don't trust mine. Mine gets into everything. He's older, so he gets into everything. My oldest wouldn't get into it. And then the toxins, I'm scared with him, so that's why I don't try resin. And I know I could go outside and stuff and do it, but I just, yeah, I rather do stuff inside. Yeah, look at these, you guys. I love everything that she sent. Oh my God. So this was something else that I was saying I wish I had, and it's in my hand now. It's in my hand. I love these. They're so good, you guys. So good. Look at that. Oh my God, so good. She did an amazing job. Wow. Wow, wow, look at this one. It's a charm. Oh my God, she really did good. Look, there's no like different color glitter or anything on it. This is just very clean, very clean. She did such an awesome job. I love this gray. And then the ghost, look at that glitter. Oh, I love it. Man, it looks like you really took your time on this because look at this. It's perfect. With stuff like this, I have an eye for detail. And she did such an amazing job. I'm just looking at this and there's like, look at that. My goodness. She poured that exactly. Oh, so amazing. That's amazing. Okay, next, these ones right here. I love these two. These are amazing here. Oh, I love these ghosts, you guys. Sequence ghost right there. Look at that. And then she put beads in there, the eek. Oh my goodness. She did such an amazing job. This is like if you were to buy it on Amazon or something, it would come like this. So amazing. I can't get over these right here. And then she sent me some black beads and I was running out of black beads and I'm so glad she sent me some. Look at you guys. Oh my God, all these black beads. Oh, I'm on cloud 9 right now, seriously. Cloud 9 right here. I can't get over this. So, and I love what she's done. She put a little rosette, some washi. And then this, you guys. Oh my God, you guys, look at this. I thought that this was, what's that? What's that on the tip of my tongue? What is it? I don't know what I thought, but I thought it was something else, but it's vinyl, you guys. It's vinyl. Oh my goodness. Acetate. I thought it was acetate. And this is vinyl. It has words. And then she sent me another one. This is like a different, like a pixelated one. Oh, I can't talk because I'm so overwhelmed with this. And then she sent me a larger one. Oh my goodness, girl. If you sold this stuff, people would definitely buy it. Look at this. Oh my God. Look at that one, spider web. And then she sent me a bow. I love it so much. Oh my God, I'm in love with these bows. Definitely using these. I have a swap in November, in November swap, so I'm definitely using these. Okay, so I haven't tried this either. You guys, I take forever to get on the bandwagon. I swear, there's so many projects I need to make. I just don't have time, but I definitely need to try these. These are so simple, and I'm glad that she sent me some because I have yet to try. And these are just wood veneers that she painted. And they're amazing. They're amazing. Look at this. Just look. The beauty. Look at the beauty. Oh, I'm missing this one. Bat. Yeah. I'm so happy with my winnings. Oh my goodness. Okay, next let's get into this ghost. I seen her tutorial on this little ghost. Who hasn't, right? You guys, I know you guys know who she is, but if you happen to come across this video and you do not know who Craft Purge is, I will have her linked below. You guys have to go and watch her because she has so much ideas and she's constantly posting ideas. She's always taking care of us, a crafty community. She karate chops all those crafty bullies, and she definitely is kind of like our security. She's the crafty security. She will not let anyone pass, you guys. You guys have to check her out. But look at this cauldron. It's everything. I love it. I love it. And this broom right here, it's crepe paper. Oh my God. Look at, she put some glitter at the tip. And she used crepe paper. I love it so much. It's so miniature. It would go really good on a memory deck. And I have a memory deck that I could put it on too. So hopefully it'll go with that. So thank you so much. Oh my God, you have no idea how happy I am to receive this. So happy. It made my day when I saw it. It took me a while to get to my post office, but she sent me some roses as well and some flowers, and these are like the paper ones, and I love them. Thank you so much. I don't have any of these black and orange roses or the pink, and they go with everything that she made here so well. Thank you so much for sharing. So she has access to Ellie. I don't, so oh, thank you so much. I felt like I lost one. Where'd it go? Thank you for the flowers. I love them. And I'm singing because I'm happy. Oh my God. Look at this bead, you guys. Look at this bead. OMG. Look at these. Oh goodness. She put some stars on this one. That's amazing. Ah, no way. I only have one of these. Thank you. Now I have two. Oh my God. Oh, look at this one. Love it. Oh no, you did not. She sent me some of her word ones. Oh my God. I gotta put this one on my memory decks. I'm showing that next, you guys. I entered a challenge and eek, no Ouija. Look at this one, black and orange. And where's my jack-o'-lantern? And she sent me some stars. Oh, there's my flower and some stars. What's in there? Come on, come out. Oh, candy corn, you guys, and a boo. Yes, yes, I'm definitely using this one, you guys. You guys are going to see my memory decks that I made, and it's going to go so well with it. I love this. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Tony. I appreciate this. Thank you for hosting, doing a giveaway, and I love everything. I'm definitely going to use it all, and I am so glad I won because... man, that's like 1 in a million, you guys, when you win one of her stuff. And yeah, I'm just excited. You guys, I can't even speak. I can't wait to use these. Thank you so much, you guys. I'm going to have her link below if you guys don't know who she is, but I bet you guys all know who she is because she's amazing. And thank you so much, Tony. I appreciate it. Bye.